How to fix Canva is not uploading photos or videos. So if you're trying to upload media to Canva and it's not working, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to fix this issue. Now this will work on both computer and also mobile as well. So the first thing you want to do is try signing out and signing back into your Canva account. So if you come over to the home page on Canva, you could then click on your profile icon at the bottom of this page, click on log out, and then once you've signed out, you can try signing back in. Now once you've done this, click on the icon next to canva.com in the address bar, and then press cookies and site data. Now click manage on device site data, and then click on the trash icon next to all of these options for Canva. Now once everything's been deleted, you can go and press done. You can then click on the reload button, and once again sign back in to your Canva account, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if you still can't upload media or it's still not working, there could be an issue with the Canva servers. So if you go and open up an internet browser like this, and then just type in "is Canva down" into the search box, you can then scroll down to canvastatus.com and click on this website. And if there's currently any server outages on Canva, you're going to be able to see this on this service status page. So if everything says all systems operational, you should be able to use Canva as normal. But if there is an ongoing issue, you will just need to wait for Canva to go and fix this issue before you can start uploading your media.